Chasing the American dream with an immigrant blueprint. Had me losing my breath in the rat race. Couldn't pick up the pace. Told my dreams were a waste. Replaced with a cubicle and spreadsheets. It made my soul so weak. There had to be a better way to use my skills to fulfill my dreams and share my gift. 2020, the world felt a rift. COVID spread. Clicking the cursor was a precursor to my coding journey. Variables, functions, arrays, objects. I thought to myself, wow, what's next? Then my calling unfurled. You could say coding had me at hello world, 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 world. Getting laid off was a gift in disguise. It made my dreams rise to the surface. Thanks to futurecode, I found my purpose. Oh, you may ask, what's that? I created a revolutionary fitness app. Yes, I did. I sure did. But I can't tell you about it. You know why? Because lawyers and legalese and all that stuff, I don't even understand it. I'm not a rocket scientist or a law scientist or a scientist at all. I'm a software engineer who created a phenomenal app that you should try. And you should try it because I created it. Come on. Seriously. Bye.